Hi, I'm Crazy Charlie Crone, am I? Got a deal for you. 18th of September, Parrotfest 4. The outdoor festival indoors, the beer tent, the food tent, the music tent. That's right, the outdoor festival indoors. Parrotfest 4, September 18th. Buy a drink between 8 and 10. It's only 10 beer, Jagerbomb. Bonkers! That's right, I'm bringing you a deal. 10 beer Jagerbomb here at the Apple and Parrot. Parrotfest 4 between 8 and 10 on the 18th of September. Bonkers! That's bonkers! So when you're rocking out at Parrotfest and you buy a drink between 8 and 10, it's only going to be 10p for a Jagerbomb! Parrotfest 4, drink 10p a Jagerbomb. Bonkers! So I'm telling you, 28 shottles in a bottle of Jägermeister at 10p each equals £2.80 an entire bottle of Jägermeister. That's bonkers.
Jagerbomb 10p.
Parrotfest 4. Drink 10p a Jagerbomb. Bonkers. Parrotfest 4. Drink 10p a Jagerbomb. Bonkers. Bonkers. Bonkers! Bonkers!